Parícutin Volcano, Mexico. Parícutin Volcano is one of the most astonishing volcanoes in the world, a mountain that literally emerged from nothing. In 1943, a farmer named Dionisio Pulido was planting corn when the ground suddenly cracked. Smoke, ash, and lava erupted, and within just a week, the volcanic cone reached about 50 meters in height. During its 9 years of activity, Parícutin grew to approximately 424 meters, forever changing the landscape of the region. The villages of Parícutin and San Juan Paringaricutero were completely buried under lava. Thousands of people were forced to abandon their homes, and farmland disappeared beneath thick layers of molten rock. The eruption sent enormous amounts of ash and volcanic material into the air, darkening the skies even in distant areas. Locals were initially terrified, but today the volcano has become part of the region's cultural identity. Climbing to the crater is a challenging and risky journey, usually taking about an hour. The sharp smell of sulfur lingers in the air, and some black rocks still retain their heat. Scientists consider Parícutin a rare example for studying the birth and growth of a volcano from its very beginning. The volcano has inspired numerous documentaries and films showcasing the power of nature. Parícutin demonstrated that the Earth can dramatically transform its surface in a very short time. The lava mysteriously swallowed the remains of villages, leaving only a church tower protruding from the rocks. Today, tourists visit the region to witness the breathtaking view of the crater and the surrounding lava fields. For the people of Mexico, Parícutin symbolizes the power, birth, and dynamism of nature. Volcanology has learned important lessons from this extraordinary event. Parícutin reminds us that the Earth is alive, constantly changing, and that in the face of nature, we must remain aware, prepared, and humble. Victoria Falls, Africa. Victoria Falls, located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, spans about 1,700 meters in width and 108 meters in height, making it one of the largest and most spectacular waterfalls in the world. At peak flow, the Zambezi River pours tens of millions of liters of water per second with a deafening roar. The sound of the falls can be heard kilometers away, and a dense mist surrounds the area. Within this constant mist, rainbows appear throughout much of the day. David Livingstone introduced the falls to the world in 1855, naming them in honor of Queen Victoria. The famous Victoria Bridge, about 198 meters long, is a site for bungee jumping from a height of 111 meters. Victoria Falls National Park is home to elephants, lions, rhinos, and over 400 species of birds. During the rainy season, usually from February to May, the water volume multiplies and the falls reach their full glory and power. In the dry season, the Devil's Pool Tour allows visitors to swim at the edge of the waterfall with strict safety measures. Long zip lines over the gorge offer panoramic, breathtaking views. The falls play an important role in regional hydroelectric power production, and ecotourism generates significant income for both countries. The natural mist can extend over a kilometer, drenching visitors completely. Victoria Falls forms a natural border between the two nations, symbolizing the grandeur of nature and humanity's connection to it. In the face of such force, humans are small, and protecting it is only possible through sustainable tourism. Atacama Desert, Chile. The Atacama Desert in Chile is the driest desert in the world, a place where in some areas, no rain has fallen for up to 15 years, and the average annual rainfall is only about 1 millimeter. Stretching approximately 1,000 kilometers in length and about 150 kilometers in width, it appears as a vast, almost uninhabited land. Its white salt flats gleam under the sunlight, creating a surreal landscape that resembles snow. At night, the Atacama sky, with minimal light pollution, is one of the clearest in the world, making it a paradise for astronomers. The Advanced ALMA Observatory, with 66 antennas, captures detailed images of the depths of the universe. The Parícutin Observatory, with its very large telescope system, consisting of 4 8.2-meter telescopes, is one of the most powerful optical systems in the world. NASA uses this Mars-like region for testing rovers and spacesuits due to its similar conditions. In salty lakes, pink flamingos live, a stunning symbol of life in the heart of the desert. Ancient natives of the Atacama have ingeniously collected water from fog and limited sources. The El Techo geysers, or natural hot springs, release steam up to 20 meters high in the early morning, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Ancient fossils and Mars-like rocks scatter throughout the region, creating an air of mystery. Every year, astronomy festivals attract thousands of tourists to this desert. The turquoise lakes of Miscanti and Manix shine with their dazzling colors. The Valley of the Moon, with its moon-like landscape, is one of the most iconic views of the Atacama. Atacama symbolizes the contrast between life and death, a place where science and nature converge. Some unique desert plants only grow in this region, adding meaning to beauty in the heart of dryness. Despite the relentless dryness, Atacama boasts the most beautiful skies, offering a powerful lesson on survival in the harshest conditions.